Mr. Speaker, is it in order, rising on standing order number 105, for the member to impute improper motives on our civil servants when he knows that Abraham Singoe, doctor, was not only vetted for by the National Assembly, but that this is a distinguished lawyer with a doctorate in law? And Mr. Speaker,
Senator Boni, what is your point of order?
The point of order is
information. Very good information you're giving. It's not a point of order. So choose. Are you on a point of information or a point of order?
Yes,
Are you informing Senator Osotsi of the resume of the PS, or are you calling to order the honorable senator who was speaking?
It's a thin line, Mr. Speaker.
You can't do both.
Mr. Speaker, it's a thin line. Under 105...
The line can never be thin, Senator.
Under our standing orders, Mr. Speaker, with due respect, 105 expects that members should be guided by the factuality of what they are speaking to.
Senator Boni, that's why I'm asking you.
Yes.
Are you on a point of order or you are on a point of information? Just pick one and proceed.
A point of order.
Okay, what is this that is out of order?
He's misleading the House that Dr. Abraham Singoe is not competent enough to be our principal secretary, when in fact the education Abraham has, the district senator from Iga can only dream about it. He doesn't even have even 20% of that. We need to appreciate the quality of professionalism in our government of Kenya Kwanza, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Osotsi,
Mr. Speaker, Boni Khalwale is just wasting my time. And I want to tell Boni Khalwale that I am also learned. I have a degree in computer science. I have a master's degree in computer science. I have an MBA. I have more degrees than Boni Khalwale. So don't say that I can only dream of...
Honorable senators. Honorable senators.